With the floating bags, as you can see, they're not as robust as the oyster cages. And if you take a closer look, you can see that the oysters are still partially in the water. So they're not gonna get a good desiccation or a good air dry. So then they'll still be prone to predation. Boring sponge is a big problem with our waters. Yeah, this wild oyster was very infested with boring sponge.
Everyday farmed oysters face predation from boring sponges, whelks, crabs, and other critters. In an effort to control this, farmers mimic tidal changes and air dry the oysters by rocking the cages and flipping them. They do this here at the nearshore nursery and once they're in the grow-out cages. In addition to working the cages to control predators, the farmers also sort the oysters based on size so that they grow more efficiently. From seed to plate, the whole process can take a year to a year and a half, with the farmers tending to the oysters daily. And after the harvest, it takes attention to detail and experience to maintain a fresh product.